The best Roomba vacuums in 2024. Dust-busting Dynamite. Greetings! In light of our significant technological advances, choosing the right product can be challenging. But worry not, we've compiled a list of the 6 best products. Refer to the description below for detailed information and the latest pricing. iRobot Roomba J7 7550. While it wasn't the strongest performer on pet hair, taking up 82.5% on average, iRobot's latest model, the J7 Plus, makes the list because it's guaranteed to avoid pet poop. Its predecessor won't offer such confidences. It does this using obstacle avoidance technology, which essentially recognizes everyday objects such as socks and cables and veers around them. This robot's vacuum is constantly learning with every run, making it one of the smartest that we've seen. In fact, the iRobot is so confident in the Roomba J7 Plus's intelligence that it's introduced the Pet Owner Official Promises, PO.O.P, whereby iRobots will replace any J7 Plus that fails to avoid solid pet waste. Its general performance wasn't too shabby either, easily handling a large debris such as cereal and kitty litter and achieving an overall cleaning score of 91.81%. Although it's a far cry from the winning iLife V3s Pro robot vacuum's pet hair performances of 99.5%. If you hate to empty your robot vacuums between runs, the J7 Plus model also comes with a compact cleaning base, which can store up to 60 days of dust. So, this robot vacuum might not be the best if your pet constantly sheds, but if there's an occasional accident on your floors, you'll be grateful for the J7 Plus's intelligence. Replacement Roomba vacuum bags can be bought online in packs from 10 up to 20 and can start from $16. iRobot Braava Jet M6 6110. If you hate mopping, then the iRobot Braava Jet's M6 robot mop was designed with you in mind. Capable of learning, mapping, and even cleaning without you having to lift a finger, this robot mop is suitable for use on tile, hardwood, and stone floors. It also comes packaged with a complimentary Bona hardwood floors cleaner to deliver that extra level of sanitation. The way that this robot vacuum works is by mapping out your home via its camera, using V-Slam Navigation's technology, so that it can tell your kitchen apart from your living room without issue. That's also how it steers clear of obstacles in your house. If there are areas you don't want the robot to go anywhere near, you can also create keep-out zones on the app and be safe in the knowledge that they stay untouched. Seemingly, there have been many improvements made between the iRobot 240 and this, the M6. So if you're looking to spend money on an upgrade for your robot mop, then it's a straightforwardly smart investment. If you're yet to be convinced on the merit of robot cleaners altogether, then you might want to start out with an iRobot model that vacuums so that you can appreciate the benefits, like the iRobot Roomba S9. MAMNV. The slender 2.91-inch profile facilitates the seamless movement of robot vacuums, allowing them to effortlessly navigate beds, sofas, and various tight spaces, ensuring a thorough cleaning of every corner. Fitted with infrared sensors for obstacle detection and drop sensing technology to prevent falls, this robot vacuum exhibits intelligent capabilities by identifying and steering clear of white walls, stairs, toys, and other hindrances. As an additional convenience, the package includes a remote control, offering a choice in control methods. This robot vacuum cleaner offers versatility with the ability to switch between 4 cleaning modes via the remote control or the accompanying app: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag cleaning. Customize the cleaning program to enhance efficiency, and rest assured with a noise level below 65 decibels, ensuring a disturbance-free environment for your family in any mode. Powered by a 2500 mAh battery, this robot vacuum can work continuously for 100 minutes in a 1290 meter squared house. It autonomously returns to the charging base to recharge when the battery is low or when cleaning is complete, with the runtime being influenced by the chosen cleaning mode and floor type. Dreametech D10 Plus. At a retail price of $400, this offers features like a self-emptying dustbin and built-in mopping pads, while costing hundreds less than comparably equipped cleaners. Too good to be true? Turns out, no. Though it wasn't the best at any of the skills in our slate of tests, it was powerful and versatile enough to keep up with the competition at just about every turn. It's right on par with the top robot vacuums we use on low-pile and mid-pile carpet, and it outperformed every other cleaner on hardwood floors except for the $1,100 Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Its LiDAR laser-aided navigations was sharp and consistent, and right on par with what we expect from other top brands that put that technique to work, including Neato and Roborox. With built-in Wi-Fi, it supports voice-activated cleaning via Alexa or Google Assistant. I also appreciated that the self-emptying dock holds up to 2.5 liters of dust and debris, good enough for 45 days of uninterrupted cleaning, Dreametech says, while still being less bulky than some other tank-like self-emptying cleaner. All of that is well worth the $500 or more that you would spend for a comparable, self-emptying, mopping-ready model from the likes of Roomba, Roborock, or any other top brand. But again, the Dreametech D10 Plus is also available for less than $400. That makes this highly versatile floor cleaner a top value pick, and an easy recommendation for the very top of our video. Dreametech D9 Max. The D9 Max boasts a shiny black design, giving it the look of a high-end product. It also shares the rest of its appearance with respectable robot vacs, including its rounded shape and size, measuring 13x7 by 13x7 by 4 inches. It's big for a smart vacuum, but it's not too bulky. The robot can still easily sneak under most furniture. The build quality is also good, with robust plastics that appear to be durable. The D9 Max comes with a small and flat charging base. Its compact design allows it to be placed anywhere, even under furniture, helping it fit discreetly into your living space. Since all of the action happens in the robot itself, the dock's sole function is to charge the robot. Its advanced mapping technology also allows it to create a map of your house, so you can select which rooms to clean and in what order. The Dreametech D9 Max is a great robot vacuum that's affordably priced, making it an excellent option if you're looking for a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo that won't break the bank. It's a perfect choice for an apartment or even a house, as long as you don't have pets or thick rugs, which don't play very nicely with the D9 Max. PRETTYCARE. The PRETTYCARE 3.0 turbo mopping system employs an impressive ultra-high 10N mopping pressure, executing 180 rotations per minute through a powerful 28,000 RPM brushless motor. This formidable synergy significantly enhances the floor cleaning capabilities, adeptly tackling everything from everyday spills to stubborn, dried-on messes. The R1 Max has a 6,000 PA Hyperforce suction system, incorporating upgraded dynamic sensing. This automatically boosts both suction and brush roll functionalities to effectively manage challenging messes. Notably, the R1 Max intelligently raises the mop to 12 mm upon detecting a carpet, preventing inadvertent wetting and ensuring the carpet remains dry. The accompanying smart app empowers users to design non-mop areas as required, providing an ideal balance between mopping and vacuuming functionalities. Through the app, users can edit, segment, and merge areas on multi-floor maps, tailoring their unique cleaning plan. This customization encompasses specifying suction strength, mopping water volume, targeted cleaning areas, cleaning schedules, and the sequence in which areas are addressed.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.